Good morning, class 1. Welcome back to your English class. I hope you all are doing good and safe at your home. So, before we start, please make sure you have all the essential items with you. That is your notebook, your homework book, your English language book, and pencil and eraser. So, children, before we start, let's quickly recap what we learned in our previous class. So, we learned about use of we, our, they, their. Okay, we revised chapter 16 and 17 in our previous video. So, children, we is used for two or more naming words of a person. Our is possessive pronoun of we. And we use they to tell about two or more than one naming words. There is a possession of they. Okay? And we also revised chapter 17 where we learn about use of can and cannot. Can indicate possible ability and cannot indicates impossible. It means that is cannot be possible. Okay, so can is used to express ability or to say that something is possible, and cannot is used to say that something is not possible. Example as I can read but I cannot fly. Okay, I hope this will help you to recall all the chapters we'll revise in previous class. Okay, so now our today's aim is to revise chapter 19 and 20, doing words and more doing words. Okay, so children, आज हम लोग डूइंग वर्ड्स और मोर डूइंग वर्ड्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. I hope you all are ready for this. Okay, so let's start our today's chapter. So children, we use is, am, are and ing with verb to show an action or condition is happening now, continuously and may continue into future. बच्चों, हम इस एम आर का यूज़ जब कोई चीज़ हम कंटिन्यूसली प्रेजेंट में कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं, और हम ing का यूज़ वर्ब के साथ करते हैं टू शो कंटिन्यूसली. ओके, फ्रीक्वेंटली हम जब कोई चीज़ कर रहे होते हैं तो हम ing का यूज़ करते हैं विद द वर्ब्स. एज एग्जाम्पल, आई एम टीचिंग यू, मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ. ओके, एंड यू आर रीडिंग, आप सभी पढ़ रहे हो. देखिए, जो हम लोग का ये काम है पढ़ने का, टीचिंग का और रीडिंग का, ये कंटिन्यूसली चल रहा है ना जब से वीडियो स्टार्ट हुई है. ओके, सो वी यूज इज, एम, आर एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर, एंड वर्ब के साथ ing का यूज़ करेंगे. व्हाट इज़ वर्ब? जब हम कोई एक्शन कर रहे होते हैं, कोई वर्क करते हैं, तो वी कॉल दैट वर्ब. ओके, एज रीड, रीड मीन्स पढ़ना, पढ़ना इज अ वर्ब. टीच, टीच इज ऑल्सो अ वर्ब. स्पीक, स्पीक मीन्स बोलना. दीज ऑल आर वर्ब्स. ओके, आई होप you all are understood very well. Okay, so move ahead. So children, now we learn about use of is, am and are. So children, we use am with I. Example, I am Diksha. I am teaching you. So I use am with I. Okay? And is. We use is with he, she, it, singular words and human names. Okay? Like example, Sita is singing. He is playing. Okay? Bird is flying. Next, are. We use are with you, we, they and with plural words. Example, you are reading. We are watching TV. Okay, I hope this is enough for you to understood everything. Okay. So, our today's keywords are read. R-E-A-D. Read means padhna. Run. R-U-N. Run means bhagna. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write means likhna. Chase. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. Chase means पीछा करना. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh means हंसना. Throw. T-H-R-O-W. Throw means फेंकना. So children, please learn all these keywords and this will help you to another class and in the chapter also. Okay. So these all are verbs. We use ing with these all the verbs. Okay. To showing continuously or frequently in our work. Okay. So now it's a practice time. You can see there is a picture. In this picture, there is a two boy watching TV. So we said they are watching TV. देखिए, there are more than one person. So we use they to indicate them. Okay. They are watching TV. We use are with they. And watch means देखना. And we use ing with verb. So they are watching TV. Okay, next. Here we can see a boy is walking. So we can say I am walking. Boy is saying I am walking. मैं walking कर रहा हूँ. Walk means टहलना. Okay. Okay. Now look at this picture. And now answer it by yourself. I really hope you all done with this. Okay. So here we can fill she is dancing. देखिए ये डांस कर रही है ना. So we use she is dancing. I hope आप सभी लोगों ने सेम फिल किया है. Okay, now clap for yourself. Yay. Okay, now look at this picture. Here we can see a boy is what? Now fill this by yourself. Ram is his hand. Okay, so the answer is Ram is washing his hand. Very good. Clap for yourself. Yay. Okay. So now please open your book, page number 42, chapter 18. Here we will learn about doing words. Okay. So look at the book carefully and put your finger on your book. Okay, now read with me. We can see here is a girl is reading. So she is reading. Next, they are running. Run means bhagna. So they are running. She is writing. Write means लिखना. She is chasing. वो chase means पीछा करना. वो पीछा कर रही है. He is praying. Pray means प्रार्थना करना. So praying means प्रार्थना कर रहा है. He is praying. She is drinking. They are playing. Play means खेलना. He is eating. Eat means खाना खाना. और he is eating. वो खाना खा रहा है. Next, she is fishing. Children, fish means मछली and fishing means मछली को पकड़ना. So we use she is fishing. They are laughing. They are singing. The baby is crying. Cry means रोना और वो continuously रो रहा है. So we can say the baby is crying. We are dancing. He is driving. He is catching. Catch means पकड़ना. He is sleeping. She is throwing. Throw means फेंकना. She is throwing. They are boating. Boat means नाव और नाव को चलाना means boating. Okay? I hope you all are understood very well. Okay. So now we will learn about chapter 19, more doing words, and the key words are skip. S-K-I-P. Skip means उछलना. Hang. H-A-N-G. Hang means लटकना. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Cut means काटना. Wear. W-E-A-R. Wear means पहनना. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb means चढ़ना. Tear. T-E-A-R. Tear means तोड़ना. Okay, so these all are verbs and we use ing for doing words. Okay, so now open your book, page number 43, chapter 19, more doing words. So now we are going to read the chapter. Put your finger on your book. Okay. Pooja is standing. Stand means खड़े होना and standing means पूजा खड़ी है. Rani is skipping. Skip means उछलना. रानी उछल रही है. Mom is cooking. So माँ खाना बना रही है. Raja is hanging. Hang means लटकना and hanging means लटक रहा है. Sam is building. Build means बनाना. कोई भी चीज़ बनाई जाती है जब तो हम उसे build बोलते हैं. So building means बनाना, घर बनाना. Okay. Nidhi is cycling. तो साइकिल मीन्स साइकिल होती है और जब हम साइकिल को चलाते हैं सो वी यूज साइकिलिंग. ओके, सो नाउ रीड द चैप्टर by yourself, and if you have any doubt you can give me feedback and also comment in the video. Okay, so now our today's homework is, please note down the homework in your notebook. Children, please look at the pictures carefully and answer the questions in your notebook. So our today's planner work. Do your homework in your notebook. Study page number 43. Learn keywords meanings. Please children, learn all the keywords meanings what I teach you. Okay. Get your parents' signature, and after that please get your parents' signature in your planner book. Okay, so our today's bonus question of the day. I hope you all are ready for this. Yes. So look at the pictures very carefully and you will get the bonus point for the right answer. Okay, so the question is, what is he doing? देखिए बॉय क्या कर रहा है and answer correctly. Okay, so I hope this is enough for you and you all are understood very well the chapter 19 and 20. So if you have any doubt and any query, you can let me know in your comment section. Okay, I will answer you. Thank you. Have a good day.